Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content, for all the positive comments. Thank you so very much. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So, today's pick a card reading is what secrets are your dreams trying to reveal to you. So yeah, that is going to be the message for today. So I've been planning to do this for quite a long time. I have been seeing a lot of dreams. So if you're the ones who are seeing like a lot of dreams, let's see what are the secrets that your dreams are trying to reveal. And if you're not seeing, maybe it's just a message that you need to know for today. Okay, so remember, these are general and timeless readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So I have 3 cards over here. You can select from one. So connect with your intuition, connect with yourself, let go of all the worries, take few deep breaths and just chill. Okay, don't think anything and just select a card that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for group number 1, this is the card. I'm just going to show you the cards, and I shuffle this for you guys. So yes, I will use these cards. So for the group number 2 and for group number 3. Okay, so take your time. If you want more time, please pause the video. And I'm going to start with group number 1, and the timestamps will be in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to go with group number 1. Hello, group number 1. If you chose this protecting the future dragon's horde, then this is your reading with me. We have number 12 here. Number 3, it's like you're growing, your consciousness is expanding, you're connecting with the divine, you're making a connection with the divine. That is what I feel like. Okay, for many of you, you had lost that connection with the divine. Maybe you have lost the connection with yourself. Finally you are connecting with yourself. And look, we have the protecting the future, and look at the keys. The things are protected, your treasure is protected. Whatever yours is yours. I feel like that is what you are protected, you are safe. Okay, universe is protecting you, like a lot of protection. Your future is protected. You don't have to stress about your future, about your work, about your relationship. All you need to do is to connect with yourself. Maybe you're overworking. Are you overworking? So it's time to take some rest. I feel like for many of you, if you are overworking, or if you're the perfectionist, sometimes what happens, if you're a perfectionist, you judge your work so harshly. So don't do that. Don't judge your work. Okay, and look at the keys. A lot of wisdom is there inside of you. So it's time to uncover that wisdom, right? So it's time to connect with yourself, to understand what you want. When you connect with yourself, that is when you understand what you want. It's time, as for you guys, I feel like your heart chakra is very strong, highlighted here. It's time to connect with your heart center. It's time, maybe you are overworking on things because you have gone through a lack of finances in your childhood. Maybe there were times when you never had enough money. So maybe because of that, you feel like that you have to work, you cannot rest. So that's why you are like overworking yourself. But this is saying you don't have to overwork. You can rest, you can relax. Okay, there is a lot of wisdom how you can relax and work, right? There is a lot of wisdom. So sometimes we have so much work to do that we forget to connect with ourselves. Then we don't have time for meditation, we don't have time for the things we actually want to do, right? Because we are overworking. So it's important to take some rest. Look, the next card is the same. Yeah, we have detox, repairing the body, mind, spirit. So with this card, that is what I feel like. You have been overworking, you have been judging yourself, you have not been taking any rest, you have been not relaxing. Maybe it's time to take a break, maybe it's time to take one day off, right? So it's like it's putting a lot of pressure on you. Maybe, yeah, for you guys, it's like your dreams are trying to tell you it's time to take your health very, very seriously. What you're eating, maybe you work so much that you don't have time to prepare healthy foods, or maybe you don't cook. So if that is the case, it's time to start cooking. Or maybe maybe you feel like if I cook, I cannot do my work, that I will waste my time, or that's why you order some fast food or something like that. So it's time to stop doing that. It's time to cook good food, or maybe include more veggies, fruits into your diet. Okay, it's like I feel for many of you it's like a warning sign here, that your dreams are, I'm not trying to scare you or something like that. It's like it's saying that it's time to take your health seriously. It's time to take a break. Maybe you have this work that you're very very passionate about, and it's okay, keep working. It's not it's okay to work. It's okay to go make your like, it's okay to invest, it's okay to save money, it's okay. But sometimes we overdo it. I feel like you're doing this, you're like overworking, and you're not resting enough, right? Sometimes the body needs rest. Maybe you're not even sleeping properly. So it's time to connect with you, and you're not getting the time to connect with yourself. Yeah, maybe you are procrastinating meditation. Maybe you feel like, yeah, I need to do it today, but you don't have time for it, and so you don't do it. Or maybe you don't have a time for a bath, like you, maybe you don't even take like maybe it's just all you need to do is to take 1 hour bath. Maybe you, if you have this bathtub, just relax there, sit with yourself, connect with yourself. Maybe take 1 hour a day, right? For some of you, I feel like if you're not doing that for yourself, if you're not taking that time out, it's time to take some time out for yourself, to connect with nature, to connect with yourself. Or maybe for some of you, you're not connecting with your friends, you're doing everything by yourself. Maybe you're in this hermit mode. So just maybe it's time to take that phone and make a phone call, talk to your friends or your family. It's time to do that. Okay, maybe for some of you it's like you have not brought anything for yourself. Maybe it's time to buy a gift for yourself, right? You have been saving. I feel like you have, with the skis, you have been like saving and locking it. You're like, oh, if I don't do this one day, everything will be go. You know, you're like I feel for some of you it's like, if I don't work for one day, everything will be gone. No, I have to work. Like, if you're in this energy, it's time to take a break. That is what I feel like. Yeah, it's time for healing. I feel, look, maybe you're seeing a lot of feathers. So your angels, your archangels, everyone is there. They are guiding you, they are protecting you. For some of you, you are not listening to that guidance because you are you're not taking care of yourself. For some of you, I feel like you're not taking care of yourself, like connecting with yourself, taking time out for yourself. Maybe you're doing work for other people, you're helping other people, you're giving the support to other people. At the same time, you're not doing something for yourself. You're not taking it's like you need to embrace more self-love. For group number 1, that is what I feel like. It's because you need to heal your heart. You need to for some of you, maybe it's time to heal that past wounds. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like that whenever you go through a phase where your heart is broken, you don't sit with that emotion. You just work and try to suppress these emotions. So don't do that. Don't suppress these emotions. Talk whenever you feel fear. Talk with yourself and let that it's sometimes it's important to feel that emotions. It's sometimes important to cry, to laugh, to scream. So do that, and that is when our heart heals. So it's time to for this pile, it's time to heal your heart. It's time to let go of that past wounds, and it's time to connect more with your heart center, heart chakra, taking your time out. Don't suppress your emotions. Sit with your emotions. Feel that emotions. If you want to cry, cry. It's like let it out, release that emotions. For some of you, I feel like you suppress your emotions with your work. Maybe sometimes we do that, right? We put all our concentration on our work and we just neglect that emotion. So don't do that. That is what I feel for you guys. Yeah, there is a lot of clarity. You're going to get a lot of clarity. Lot of answers are coming for you guys when you sit with your heart, when you sit with your emotions. So if someone has done something wrong, sit with it, talk to yourself, and release that thing. It's very important. Don't suppress it. I don't know why I feel like you suppress it by your work, and that is when and it's not good. It's not good when we suppress the emotions. So if you're resonating with it, it's time to take care of your body. It's time to eat healthy. Maybe you're doing emotional eating, so it's time to stop that. Yeah, this is a message, because this is like your dreams are trying to tell you that it's time to heal your heart. And when you have to heal your heart, you have to sit with that emotions, right? So that is very important. So if there is a situation in your life, like in your past a situation happened, so you need to sit with it and face it. Yeah, like talk to yourself about the thing. Maybe sometimes it's very painful, it's very triggering, right? So but when you speak with it, when you cry, that is when you release. So it's time to release, it's time to heal your heart. Yeah, you have been suppressing something. Okay, maybe it's your finances, it's your financial lack of sometimes we stay in this lack mentality, that I will not have enough money if I don't work. I have to work, I have to work. So sit with that, release it. Yeah, sometimes smart work is important in our life more than hard work, right? Yeah. So yeah, when you sit with yourself, when you connect with yourself, that is when you get all your answers. You're meant to be the king, you're meant to be the queen. You're not meant to be that person who have to keep on working. No, look at the crown, right? There's a lot of wisdom coming, but you are not listening to it because you're so you're suppressing your emotions, you're not connecting with yourself. So it's time to do that. If you're already doing it, keep on moving forward with this healing journey of yours, because you're healing your heart. And when we heal our heart, that is when we receive a lot of abundance, right? So yeah, your angels, if you're seeing feathers, definitely your angels are with you. You're going to be very strong. You're a very strong person. A person who cries is strong, because they are ready to feel that emotion. It's not easy thing to feel your emotions. It's not, sometimes it's very hard, right? So that's why people suppress it. So don't do that. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you're seeing like some crystal rings, or maybe you want to buy a crystal ring. Go for it, it might help you. Yeah, I'm getting a green stone. For some of you, you worry about your finances a lot. Maybe aventurine will help you. Okay, that is what I received for you guys. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 2. If you chose this, the further gate, bold step forward. So what your dreams are trying to tell you. So look at the number 55. So lot of changes are going to happen for you guys. Maybe you're seeing a lot of mountains. It's like you're going to overcome all your challenges, you're going to overcome all your obstacles. So if you're going through a struggling period and you're thinking, why this is happening to me, your angels, your ancestors, your dreams are trying to tell you that you are meant to do more than this, right? For some of you, it's like you are in this comfort zone. So you are getting out of your comfort zone. So sometimes we don't do that. We just sit in our comfort zone. So that time universe will come and make scenarios. They will put us in a place where we have to get out of a comfort zone. So that is what I feel for you guys. So maybe you are going through a challenge where you are going to come out of your comfort zone. So it's like a bold step forward. For me, maybe for some of you, it's like you will have to move homes, and you will be like, why I have to move home now? But maybe that is for your best, right? Maybe for some of you, it's like you will lose your job, and you will be like, why this happened? But they're saying, take that bold step, move forward. Maybe it's the time to get in touch with your desire to do something that you always wanted to do. So it's time to make that bold step. Maybe in a relationship, maybe you have to take that bold step. Maybe this relationship is not going anywhere and you are struggling. So maybe it's time to get out of that relationship and take that bold step. So it's time to take that bold step. Maybe you have to speak your truth, or maybe you have to confront something to someone. Just go for it, take that step. Yeah, one gate has been open for you guys. I feel the universe is opening up this gate. Now is the time to walk and open the second gate. Okay, right? So that is what I feel like. The universe is, this is, I feel whatever changes your whatever challenges your sorry for that. Okay, so what I feel like, whatever challenges you're going through right now, this thing right now, you will feel like that, oh, it's very challenging, why this is happening. But in the future, this will be for your best thing, and you will be like, thank God I took that step, thank God this happened, thank God I lost that job, because that's why I have a very good job, right? Something like that. Okay, this is for your best. So don't don't struggle right now. Go with the flow. Yeah, it's very easy to say. I know when this situation happens, it's difficult. So trust in the divine plan. Look, lay of the land, you're going to win the race. You're going to look, you're seeing a lot of mountains. Again, a mountain I see for you guys. A lot of, maybe you're seeing a cave. It's like a, I'm feeling like a dark night of the soul. Like you have to go through the tunnel and then the light will come. So for some of you, it's like you're going through a spiritual awakening where you're feeling all the emotions, and maybe you are you are knowing some truths about your past, and it's difficult, but all this thing will pay, all this thing will be for your benefit, and you will reach the top of the mountain. Okay, look, this woman is so happy, right? Like, yeah, I reached the top, and you will be like that only. Thank God I took that step. Look for, yeah, 7, spiritual development I see for you guys. There is a lot of, you're connecting with your ancestors, you're connecting with your angels. So maybe there is a different way of living for you guys. Maybe the way you lived all your life, you're not going to live like that. So there is like complete change of turn of events. Maybe you never believed in spirituality, or you thought that I'll never be that person who will be doing meditation, and then you are like doing it all day, right? So something like that. Your perception about life is changing. Your wisdom, you're gaining a lot of wisdom, inner wisdom, and this challenge will make you very, very strong, and you will be like, yeah, thank God that happened. Because of that, I'm such a strong person right now. And I know that, yeah, this is the thing you will be thinking. Yeah, this is what you will be feeling in the future. I feel like you'll be very proud of yourself. That's the thing. And you're like, yeah, I did that. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. That is what I feel like. Yeah, again, so whenever you feel lost, whenever you feel like, why this is happening, why universe is giving me so much struggle, why I have to do this, if you feel like that, just sit with yourself. Make your heart your home, right? Sit with yourself. Our body is our home. I feel like that. So connect with your own body, connect with your own home, your heart. It's time to meditate. It's time to connect with yourself. And when you do that, you will get all your answers, you will get all your wisdom, and you will never feel alone at that time. That is what I feel. When you connect with yourself, you will never be feeling, you will never feel alone. You will be like, yes, I have this power within me that will guide me through these challenges. Okay, you will become a very strong person. That is what I feel like. You're maybe you're seeing a lot of homes. Maybe it's time to move home. So it's like a signal. Yeah, you will move homes. Maybe you will move out from your home. Maybe you will relocate somewhere that will resonate with you. So yeah, that is what I feel. A lot of balance will come to you guys. A lot of balance. So this step, right now maybe you are facing some struggle, but when you take that first step, things will be okay for you guys. Things will be balanced. You will be very, look, again, we have balance here. Yeah, whatever struggle you are facing right now, you look, again, we have the mountains here. We have the mountains here. So you might be seeing mountains. Mountains is like, I feel like, it's like sometimes it's very challenging to climb the mountains, right? But and here it's like this person has reached the top of the mountain. So you will overcome all your challenges. That is what your dreams are trying to tell you. So be balanced, practice gratitude, okay? Be patient with yourself, be patient with this things, whatever is happening right now in your life. So take one day at a time, be in the present moment, enjoy your life. Yeah, sometimes it's very difficult to be in the present moment when things are like this, right? When there is a little bit of struggle, maybe you're struggling mentally, or maybe you have to move, you have to pay the bills. Sometimes it's very you can't take one day at a time at that, and you stress about your future. That is why they're telling you to practice meditation, to practice gratitude, and that way you will understand that how much blessings you have already in your life. And then we become patient with ourselves, right? Be patient, guys. Your angels, your maybe lilies, you're seeing lilies, like purity. It's time of detoxing. It's time of getting rid of that. I feel you're getting rid of your past karma. You're balancing things, okay? I'm getting the word alchemy. I don't know why, but definitely you are going to make something out of scratch, or something new you will invent. I feel like that. I don't know. Yeah, but definitely things are going to be very balanced for you guys. Yeah, again, look at the mountains. You look, you are going to overcome all your challenges, all your struggles. We have the eagle here. You're going to be masters of something. Okay, that is also I feel like. So you, maybe for some of you, you have this idea. Okay, yeah, I'm getting this. Maybe you have this idea right now. Now it's time to take that first step with this idea. Okay, maybe you are creating something new. Yeah, you're creating something new that no one has created. Yeah, something new. So you're like, oh, whether I should take this chance, whether I should go forward with this idea. It's like, go forward, because universe has your back. That is what I feel like. And when you go forward, you will be able to overcome all the obstacles, and you will fly high and you are going to achieve the success. So yeah, that is what I received for you guys. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you chose this sky bridge possibility for union, then this is your reading. Let's see what your dreams are trying to reveal to you. So we have 47 number and it sums to 2. So maybe for some of you it's like a union, possible union happening if you are in a like a twin flame relationship. I feel like things are coming together for you guys. Maybe for some of you it's like you might be seeing your own marriage or something, or maybe you are seeing like your connect. I'm getting like in your dreams, maybe you're seeing like two people are connecting, holding hands or something like that. So I feel like there is a possibility for union. And for others, I feel like you're connecting with yourself more. Finally, you're connecting with your own self, your own soul. That is what is happening for you guys. You're connecting with the universe. You're connecting with your ancestors, your spirit guides, your angel. You're making a divine connection here. Okay, things are going to be very balanced for you guys. Okay, look, yeah, you're close to achieving your goals. That is what I feel. You're close to your union. So whatever you want in your life, I feel like you have been working for it, right? You have been patiently working for something in your life. I feel like that you have been putting that faith, right? Sometimes it's very easy to lose faith, and you are the people who have that faith that yes, I will do it, I'll make it happen, I'm not going to lose faith. I have this utter faith in the divine, in the universe, and because of that your connection is becoming more stronger. You're you're becoming like, I feel for this while you're becoming more wiser. You have so much of knowledge, and that's why I feel you never lose hope. And for some of you, if you are losing hope, it's like, don't lose hope, because things are coming together. Like you are coming together. For some of you, maybe if you're going through like a lot of mentally, if you're feeling not so good, like depression or anxiety, you are not feeling that good, I feel like things are going to come together for you guys. You are coming out of that phase also, I feel like. So don't lose hope, guys, because things are aligning for you guys. Things are, you are like, you are going like stairway to heaven something, I feel like that, like you are going to a place where you will be very happy. You're going to be very happy in your life. That is what I feel like. Something you will get that will make you so happy, but at the same time you're going to be very like very wiser, and at the same time ground your energy, also protect yourself, uh, do saging. That is also important, I feel like. But definitely you are one step closer to your goals. Each day you're one step closer to your goals, to your desires. That is what your dreams are trying to tell. Maybe you're seeing like a lot of stones or buildings, like maybe you're seeing a lot of buildings, like maybe a building, maybe you're seeing home, like that is like a stable foundation for you guys. Like maybe you're seeing number 444, so it's like your stability. It's about your stability, your security. Maybe you always wanted a secure home. That is what is coming for you guys. A secure relationship, a secure career, a secure a health, a good health. Yeah, so that is what is, I feel like, for you guys is happening. And for some of you, I even feel like with the colors, you know, maybe you have been planning to get pregnant or something. Maybe you will be getting united with that small baby, something like that also. Yeah, so yeah, I'm getting there. Yeah, maybe for some of you, if you are in long distance relationship, maybe we will come together finally, something like that. Okay, I am getting that also. Maybe if someone is not understanding your point of view, finally they will realize that you were correct and they will understand your point of view. And look at that, I'm getting the shine. You're gonna light, you are gonna shine your light. That is what I feel like. Yeah, definitely. Look, vanishing mirror, your ego, you have done a lot of shadow work for this pile. That is why you're making a connection to the divine. You know the laws of universe, you know what is good, what is best for you guys. And I feel you have done a lot of forgiveness also. You have been forgiving people. If someone has done wrong to you guys, you have been forgiving them. You are coming out of your limited mentality. You know, so we are born like, you know, we are raised like that. We have so much of conditioning, and finally you're letting go of that conditions. Right, you're coming out of your limited beliefs. You're understanding that there is so much more than I see. Sometimes we have a very short view, but universe has such a wider view of things, isn't it? We just see, yeah, we see only small thing. We say, oh, this is what is happening, I don't know what to do. But universe has such a wide view. So when we make that connection with the universe, we understand that there is different possibilities, right? Where we can make our goals happen. Sometimes we feel like that, oh, our goals are not going to manifest, or I will not have a relationship. But universe has so much potential. So finally you are getting out of that limited belief. Yeah, you are slowly doing it, and that is what your dreams are telling you. Yes, keep on working towards your goals. Keep on having that faith, because you are reaching your path to success. You have been working on it, right? Look, we have the storyteller's jewel. So with this card, it's also saying that it's time to share your story. You maybe you have a lot of wisdom inside of you. Maybe it's time to share that information to other people. If you are maybe you can just if you don't have an Instagram account, maybe just open it and share your story. It will help other people. Okay, maybe you're seeing a lot of jewels. Maybe for some of you it's like you will receive a jewel, a gift from someone. I don't know, maybe you will get married, right? Where we are wearing new like new necklace, new earrings. That is also, I feel like, for some of you, jewels. With these jewels I'm getting here, and we have possibility for union. So definitely that is a marriage vibe. And for others of you, your marriage, if there were misunderstandings in your marriage, I feel that you're going to resolve that misunderstandings, and there is a union coming for you guys. And because the reason is, like, you are doing that shadow work, right? And that is what you need to focus on more. You need to focus on your shadow work. You need to focus on your meditations, okay? And you need to take care of yourself. Maybe in the past you always took care of other people, but right now it's like, take care of yourself, take care of your health, take care of your mental health. And if you feel like doing something, if you feel like sharing a story to someone, just go and share it proudly, okay? And look at the orange color we have here also, right? Your sacral chakra is important. Maybe you need to just Google about sacral chakra, because I'm getting that, like, you have a lot of new ideas. Maybe for some of you, you have this new idea, yeah, I want to do this, but you're not doing it, right? So it's time to take action, right? For some of you, it's like, I told you, like, getting pregnant, right? And sharing the story of that, like how you got pregnant, how it was a very, maybe it was a very difficult journey for you guys to get pregnant or something like that. Maybe you need to share that story. Whatever story is that, maybe you will see an earring and you will look at it, and there is a story behind that earring for you guys. Maybe you need to share that story. So that is what it's like coming. Share your story. Don't keep it to yourself, because there are so many people who wants to hear that story, and people will be supportive of your ideas. So don't Sometimes we think that our idea will not work out with this like vanishing mirror. That is what sometimes we feel like, that oh, if we take that step no one will support us. We make that things in our mind. So it's like, no, people will be there to support. Universe has magical ways. Universe will bring the people who will support us, right, when we trust. So that is what is coming for you guys. Okay, so let go of that ego. Don't think that you're not good enough to share your story. Or maybe sometimes we feel like that our story is not so much big, we have not endured like that much. No, just share your story, don't stop. Okay, maybe you are good at writing things, just write it. Or maybe you're very good at speaking, just speak it. So whatever it is, just let that things come out. I'm feeling like something is there that you're holding on to. It's time to get it out, like speak it out, or something like that. I feel like, oh wow, look, we have 7 of Pentacles. So yeah, you have been waiting for the results, right? Yeah, when this will bloom, when my tree will grow. It's been like so long. So finally it will. Your like dreams are telling you, yeah, it will grow. It is going to grow. Share your story, share your ideas. Don't hold back. I feel like you have been doing a lot of shadow work. You have been working on yourself. You're doing great, but sometimes you need to be confident, be more confident, and go for it. And yes, definitely the seeds you have been you have planted certain seeds, right? So whatever seeds you are planting, it's growing. Okay, so don't worry, your hard work is paying off. So yeah, we have King of Swords energy. So the King of Swords is a leader, right? Is a leader. He is a communicator. So it's like, again, communication, right? Maybe you're very good at communicating your things, but you feel like maybe you're very good at writing. So whatever it is, it's time to communicate. Maybe you're seeing these birds here. We have a bird. Okay. Maybe so your dreams are trying to say that to you. Just communicate the things. Don't hold back. Maybe you have an idea. Sometimes we feel like, oh, our idea is not worthy, it will not work out. We make assumptions. So don't do that, because your vision is very very small, but universe vision is so big, right? So just go for it, and don't and stand your ground. That is, I'm getting, believe in yourself, be confident, and yeah, you are a leader. You can do things by yourself. And when you take that first step, there will be people who will come to help you. Okay, that is what I feel like. Okay, for some of you, you are seeing a sea turtle. We have Pisces energy. Pisces, like surrendering to the divine, like, yeah, getting yeah, in your dreams you get a lot of messages. So keep a dream journal and write it out. Okay, write it out. Maybe you're seeing tortoise, or maybe you're seeing sea turtle. Like, go with the flow of life, trust yourself, let go, take one step at a time, be in the present moment. That is also important, okay, for you guys. Don't think sometimes like, oh, I have been doing this work, will this ever pay off, and we stress about future, right? So don't stress about future. Like with this Page of Cups, your intuition is very very strong. Okay, that is also, I have to say, have more fun. Yeah, whenever you tell a story, don't do by stress. Okay, whenever you do something, enjoy it. Okay, enjoy it and do it like that. Okay, so yeah, look at the water, your emotions. Maybe you're seeing water. Look at the stars, right? Your wishes are coming true. You have been waiting for this wish to come true. I feel like you're near to your wish. With this card also, I feel like you are stepping up, you're near to your wish. That is what I feel like. So go with the flow of life. Don't try to control anything. So yeah, take one day at a time. Just do the work you can do today. And if you're feeling like you need to share your story, just share it. Don't stop yourself, okay? Sometimes we stop ourselves because we feel like that will not be supported, and because we feel like that this thing will not give us success. Okay, before starting something, we step back, right, because of our own fear. So let that fear go. And for some of you, if you're doing that work, keep on working on it. Don't lose hope, because yes, your work will be paid off. You will be recognized for your work. So keep on working. Enjoy your work. don't stress about it. Okay, so that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.